Hello students, I welcome you all to the Semstar online learning. This is Muskan Parwar and today I am back with the second part of the same topic we have learnt in our previous video, that is sound of animals. Children, in that previous part we have learned sound of some animals and now we will learn of some more. So let's begin with the first one. What is a sound made by a sheep? Now let's come to another animal. What is the sound made by a chicken? Or you can say chick. Let's come to third one. What is the sound made by an elephant? Next, what is the sound made by a monkey? Let's come to next one. What is a sound made by a pig? Sixth one. What is the sound made by a wolf? Next one. What is the sound made by a snake? Eighth one. What is the sound made by a deer? Let's come to ninth one. What is the sound made by a tiger? Let's come to 10th one. What is the sound made by owls? So students, we have learned sound of 20 animals. Learn these sounds of animals.